Hello everyone, I'm Mathia Ford, a registered dietitian nutritionist with a passion for transforming the way we think about food, especially for those of you managing chronic kidney disease. Today I'm here to introduce an Easter meal that's not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a friend to your kidneys. You can grab this handout at renaldiethq.com/Easter meal 2024, all one word. We're talking about an Easter celebration on your plate, beginning with a Mandarin Orange Salad. That's as light and refreshing as a spring morning. And remember, we have all the nutrition facts and we have all the information. Then we move on to the main event, which is creamy pork tenderloins, tender and rich, paired deliciously with this pasta and roasted asparagus. It's been kissed by lemon and garlic. And to top it all off, we have strawberry rhubarb bars that blend in that sweet and tangy in a dance of delicious flavors on a crumbly, buttery base. And I made these lower in sugar. So they're delicious and my family loved them. Everybody loved them that I gave them to. What makes this meal extra special is how it caters to the unique dietary needs of people with CKD. These dishes are low in protein and sodium, designed from the ground up to be kidney friendly, but also a full meal, delicious on your plate without ever skimping on that flavor. So you have plenty of flavor from these, but you also get a full plate of food and you're gonna feel very full. I created these recipes from scratch to be easy and enjoyable to make. They're not just for Easter, they're perfect for any day you want to treat yourself and your loved ones to something special, but I love the idea of creating a little handout with a whole meal for you. I'm eager for you to try this meal and share your experiences. Your feedback is invaluable, not just to me, but to our entire community at renaldiethq.com. And remember, you can go over to renaldiethq.com/Easter meal 2024, all one word. It's your insights that help us grow and continue to offer meals that delight and nourish. Again, head on over there for your copy and dive into these recipes, enjoy the process. They're made from scratch, they're easy to make. Let's make this Easter one to remember for its joy, health, and fantastic flavors. It's about more than just food, it's about celebrating life and making every meal an opportunity to care for ourselves and each other. And I made the handout, I know it's printed in color, I made it easy to print in black and white, so you don't have to print in color. Thank you for joining me on this delicious journey. Here's to a kidney-friendly, joyful Easter and many more meals that bring us together. Visit renaldiethq.com for these recipes and many more. Until next time, enjoy the good life, one bite at a time. Thanks.